Okay, so this tool here is a tyre tread depth gauge, okay? It precisely reads the correct measurements of your tyres. As I was saying earlier with your tyres, guys, what we're really looking at is if we spin this round, we can look at the make of tyre. The make of tyre is not really the most important thing, okay? It's down to the customer what they have on. The most important thing to look at is the actual tyre size. So we've got 195, 60, 15, and this one here is a V-rated tyre, okay? So the 195 is the diameter from here to here. So 195 is the width, the pattern of the tyre. So from this side to here is 195 millimeters. Okay, then we've got the 60. The 60 is the sidewall of the tyre. Okay, it's also known as the profile. Okay, which is a percentage of the actual tyre tread, so 195. And then we've got the R15. The R15 stands for the size of the actual wheel rim. So in this case, this is a 15-inch wheel, okay? And then we've got V, which is the speed rating. The 88, guys, is a load rating. So it tells you how much weight that can actually carry on each axle. So what I'm just going to quickly show you here, guys, is this tool. So best way of doing this is, I've already checked it to calibrate, which I'll show you in a moment. Okay, so we put this on here, we pull it down, we don't touch it, and then what we're going to try and do, hopefully this will come in. Sorry about this, guys. There we go. So it's around about 6 mil there. Okay, so in the middle of the tyre, it's 6 mil. I will now measure the outer side of the tyre. So again, doing the same thing, we're pushing it down into. I'll let that phase in. Okay, and we got 6 mil again. So I'm going to move over to this side here, and then we're going to push it down once again, taking it out very slowly and very carefully, and then we're going to scroll it round until we can see there. So it's about 6 mil again there. So this is quite a good tyre, guys. It's on approximately 6 millimeters, which is good. The legal limit is 1.6 mil across the center 3/4. So if I just do that, so we're sort of talking in between my fingers there roughly. It's really difficult, I'm on my own with the camera, but in between here, those two fingers, that is the center 3/4. Now that needs to be around the entire circumference of the wheel. Okay, so all of the tyre surface. And the best way of checking this, guys, I know I mentioned this to you earlier, find the tyre valve. So as we turn around, we slowly turn it round. I've got my hand here where the tyre valve is. So as I turn it round, it's another little cheat for you. As you slowly turn it round, you're inspecting the tyre, looking for any problems, yeah? Don't go too quickly. You can see there, it's had a puncture repair at some point. Okay, so we can check the tyre pressures to make sure it's holding. Then we turn it round, yeah? And that is just a little piece of glass there which has come out just in the tread itself. So stones in the tread, you can obviously take them out. There's another little stone there, probably isn't causing any problems. Okay, another one just there, so we can just hook that with our fingers. Okay, and then we come around, we've been right the way around the tyre there, so my hand is back here onto the actual tyre valve. So this means that I know that I've checked the whole tyre, okay, and it's in good condition, okay? So we can then obviously look, oh, and sorry, there you go, say good condition. I've just noticed, yeah, just here, guys, there was actually looks like a nail in there. So knowledge and experience tells me that's probably got a puncture, okay? So I will check that later on and then probably do a puncture repair on the tyre itself.